Alright guys, everything's gonna switch to this.
I mean, maybe not everything, but
Most things are gonna switch to USB Type-C. So I'm in the process of personally converting everything that I possibly can to USB-C. I'm trying to nail down a minimal system to where I only have USB-C cables augmented with these Chicken McNugget adapters. I think it's a better system than having 50 cables. Here's what I do. I put all my Chicken McNugget adapters in this little case. So my goal is to have a few USB-C cables supplemented with these adapters clean. I'm going to show you this specific adapter, test them out, and show you that they work. Here's the brand.
I'll put the links down below.
This is a micro USB to USB-C. What these are good for are older devices or certain devices that haven't switched to USB-C. So for example, I have this portable audio recorder. This is a Zoom H1N. It's battery powered when you're using it portable, but it also has a wired power supply. So on one end, you have a USB classic, right? On the other end, you have a micro USB. The micro USB is the end that plugs into the device itself. So anything that has the small trapezoidal female is going to take this micro USB. Like old cell phones, instead of keeping this cable, I'm going to ditch this cable. These nuggets are good to have because you never really know when, but you sort of always end up running into a device that still takes micro USB. So here they are, super small aluminum micro USB. Male to USB-C female. Tog Con. Feels solid. These feel good. Nice fit. Alright, turn this puppy on. Battery's out. Perfect. Let me test the other one. Goodbye, see you. Here you go. There it is.
Awesome.
Pick these up. They're just good to have around.
subscribe.
Links below. Goodbye.